Welcome back. This is Terry of Terry K's, and today I come to you with an unboxing. I finally got my Canon Ivy. Yay! So excited, so excited. I was undecided of which one I wanted. It's a mini computer. I was choosing between the Canon Ivy or the HP mini printer. So Canon IV1, I think I chose this one because I just got a Canon TS computer, one of the laser printers, and I just love the way it prints. So I did my research on this one and the HP to see which printed out better or to see which one I like better. And so I just chose the Canon. And I'm going to unbox it with you guys. I have my little portable charger here because I believe I was supposed to charge it first. So since I didn't, this is a real unboxing. I got my portable charger just in case. And this here is just a stack of 20 of the film, the photo paper, which is on sticky backed. So let's jump right in. I will put this over to the side because I believe I get some in here. All right, y'all. Okay, that's all that's in the box. It's a mini photo printer and your new best friend. Let's hope so. All right, y'all. I chose the white and rose gold color. It came in this little cradle. Ooh, so nice, so nice. Okay, looks like we have some instructions. Number 1, charge it. Number 2, you put the photo paper in. And then number 3, I already downloaded the Canon app. So let's see how it works with the portable charger. Okay, it's charging it up. Okay, so this is the same kind of zinc paper. You just get 10 sheets with the actual machine, and I bought an extra 20. And this side goes face down, like so. Okay, I was just looking at the directions to make sure I put it in right. There we go, kind of like snaps back in. Move this out the way. Okay, so I put that in. So now let's go to my phone. Right here. So I didn't do a snap, but I wonder if I could go to my own pic. Let's see. Okay, let me print this one out. I don't want to use that much color. Let's see. Let's do this one with me and my daughter. See how this one comes out. Oh, okay, so I got my photo albums. I didn't realize that. There we go. So I can add a frame to it or anything like that. Okay. Let's print. There it is. That's my accessory. Let's see if it works, y'all. I hear it. Okay, so it's got to get rid of that paper first. Okay, it's still doing something, y'all. Ooh, nice. I like it. Yes. I'm so excited. Y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. See it, you see it, you see it, you see it. Oh, yes, y'all. All images have printed successfully. Okay. Yes. Do I want to print another one? No, I'll wait. Do y'all see this? You see this image? Now, let's move that out the way. Oh, we'll put it over here. this. Okay, now I'm going to show you the picture. Now that's the photo. That's the actual picture. And this is the photo that it printed. Very pigmented and nice. Like, it's not as bright as the picture, but you can see us both clearly. Everything in the background is clear. I absolutely am happy with this purchase. So, hopefully more pictures to come. Yes, yes, yes. Do I want to print one more? Let me see, let me see, let me see. Okay. This is me and all my girls, y'all. Let's see. Let's send that to the queue. Once it gets to 100%, I tap it. Here it comes. Can y'all see it? Nice. Okay, y'all. It is all done. Do y'all see these photos? Do you see them? Now this is my fourth daughter. She's pregnant with my grandson, and she's due on the 20th of this month. Now this is all 4 of my girls. I have 5 children. My son is the only one missing in this photo, and he's right. 2 older sisters, 2 younger. But do y'all see? This was taken the other day at the diaper bash. Do y'all see how nice and pigmented these pictures are? I'm looking at flowers in the background, talking about flowers. Let me pick it up and show y'all. I don't want to touch the screen. I want to give them chances to dry just in case I don't want to smudge. Okay, can y'all see this? I'm sorry, I'm clumsy, but let's do this. Can y'all see these photos? You see that? Do y'all see how nice and pigmented these are? Well, there you have it. That is the Canon IV mini printer, and I am very happy with it. I have some backup photo sheets. You get 20 in here, and it actually comes with 10. So you actually get 10 in the box with the actual mini printer. This one, I got it on sale. It's approximately $120. I got it for $121. So, but I'm just so happy with my purchase. I think it was a great deal. And these are photos that are small enough to where I could possibly cut and stick into my journals and you know, and make my my planning a little more customized with my family, or I can make like I want to make a cover with all my photos on it. I seen another woman do this on YouTube, and I thought that's a great idea, and these are perfect to do that. So I thank you for stopping by and watching this unboxing, and then, you know, watching me go through how it works. As you can see, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Literally, you got 1, 2, 3, and you're done. So before I actually received this in the mail, I had already went and downloaded the app, and the app is let's see. Okay, this is the app. It's the Canon Mini Print. Can you see that? It's this one right here, the Canon Mini Print. So I did that, and I had already set it up. So when this came, I was ready to just go to work. And it was easy. It's all easy as, like I said, 1, 2, 3. So if you like what you saw here, hit that like button. It will definitely help me out. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Would you be interested in buying one of these? And I went right to the Canon website and purchased it. Also, if you would like to see more unboxings, hauls, plan with me, and other things, because I do a lot of other things as well, just let me know and hit that subscription button. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Again, as always, thank you and have a blessed day.